Hello everyone, NNNI here, and obviously today is going to be a very special video since I've got the Holy Grail out again. The very reason why this whole lab is in existence. So this is my railgun, which I haven't featured in any video since August 13th last year. So I thought that I've not worked on the mechanical part of this build for a very long time. I've been concentrating too much on the electronics, the things that's going to go inside this. So I thought may as well give the electronics a break because I need to start actually building this thing mechanically. So as you can see, I've laid out the whole thing on my desk here just to show you its layout. I thought I might do a video on this. So this is my capacitor charger. It goes in here. This is the reason why I wanted it to be so small and compact and powerful and simple, of course, because this thing is going to be stuck inside here for however long it takes not to blow anything up. It should be very simple and reliable. Capacitor bank and a few frills here. You can see this whole thing is orange like a big construction site. So anyways, this is the on-off switch, the main power switch. This is the charge button. This is a momentary switch of some sort. I don't remember its name. And this is the main trigger switch that triggers the solenoid which pushes the projectile into the rails. So this is where my battery will be, this is where my rails will be, and this is where the injecting system is going to be. So let's take a closer look. I've salvaged most of these parts from an old Nerf gun of mine which I had. My original plan was to build the whole thing into a Nerf gun, but I decided no, I didn't have enough flexibility with the space. What I mean to say is I didn't have flexibility to do what I wanted with the space. So I thought of redoing the whole thing. I'm going to make it out of 1 mm thick aluminium. This space is where this small laser circuit goes, obviously without the switch and the connector. It's connected to the battery over here. My rails go over here. I wanted to make this whole thing modular so that I can implement any new innovation I make in Railgun. So this whole section will be an easily replaceable one with the rails in it, connected to the capacitor bank using a high current connector or something like that. My lithium polymer battery has to be small to fit into this space, maybe around 500 mAh or so. This is very small, but there's nothing I can do about it. Maybe if I find a bigger one that fits here, that'll be good. And now this thing, which is a LiPo protecting circuit. It's not a protecting circuit, it's more of a alarm circuit. So it goes on the side over here next to the batteries. Maybe I'll put a female header on the side and just have this slip in, or I'll just leave the balance connectors loose and connect it to that. Very simple. And this is where the charging circuit is. I'll be covering off all these extra spaces with hot glue like I'm doing over here. I've just covered this space with cardboard. Hot glue goes here so it has a kind of a cushioning effect on my charge circuit. So yes, this is basically my Railgun project for now. A very small update on what I'm doing and what I will be doing. Thank you for watching.